Hello everyone. Snap layouts are a convenient way to get windows into the position you want them to. Placing the drag and drop snap axis features of Windows 10, snap layouts let you arrange your apps quickly and neatly on your desktop, making it much simpler to see all and use all at once. When you hover your mouse over a Windows Maximize icon, you get this little pop-up to initiate a snap layout. You'll see 4 different grid layouts that you can choose from, or 6 if you have a larger monitor, where each layout will have several zones in a different configuration. Windows Z is a keyboard shortcut to pull off the snap layouts menu. The shortcut is important because some apps like Steam and Discord have customized their title bars, so the Maximize buttons can't trigger the pop-up the way most Windows apps can. When you click on one of the snap layouts icon, each of the other screen will show you the windows you have open, and clicking on one will jab it into the place. Your snap layout will be reflected in the taskbar as well. If you go to the taskbar and hover over the icon for one of the apps in your layout, you'll see a thumbnail for both the apps and the layout groups is part of, and you can click on either. There are a lot more customization options now under settings. Just choose system and then multitasking. You have a variety of options that you can enable or disable. For example, you can choose not to have the snap layouts features appears when you hover over the maximize symbol or when you hover over your apps icon in the taskbar. You can arrange for the other windows to automatically resize when you manually resize one. And of course, you can disable the feature entirely. If you enjoyed this video, I highly encourage you to comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more videos like this one. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification.